That's the small little bald one. They're bald no more. Okay, to put you back. Oops, the second youngest one. But you're beautiful. I know. It's scary. I know. It's a little scary. Man, in one day they grow pretty fast. Oh. Make sure you don't fall. There you go. Where's the other one? I know. I'm gonna call you the squawker. You always squawk. You always squawk. You must be a female. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. Mama's a little upset. Mama's right there. See, here's your baby. See? Nobody's hurting it. Nobody's hurting it. See? Okay, we'll put that one back. And the biggest one, where you at? It is. Or she, I don't know who. This one's getting really big. This one's these are now called fledglings. Look at all the blue coming in. It's gonna be a beautiful bird. Whoop, don't fall off there. Don't fall off. This is another budgie update. See, they grow really, really fast, and like in one day you're like, what the heck? Oh, this one's a little scary. It's got a little blue here. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it over. They don't like this, but see, it's got a little blue there coming in. It's like, what the heck, man? You destroyed my equilibrium. Okay. I know what you want to do. It's already got stuff on its head and everything. It's almost ready to be eating real seeds. Whoa. Want to get on my finger? Look at that, look. Let me see. Don't fall. Okay, there's another update.